Welcome back and thanks for watching. Today we're going to go over how to restore your boots if they get damaged over the winter or over the course of the year, and then how to protect them so they last a little bit longer. I've had these boots here for about, almost 7 years. And as you can see here, what I'm first doing is cleaning them off with a boot brush. Just get off any excess dirt, salt. If you need to get salt off your boots, I have another video. Please check that out. Just clean the boots off and get them ready to put on. What I'm using here for Timberlands is Waximum Wax Leather Protector. There's other things for different boots. Just look up what would work well with your boot. And like I said, for this one, this is what I use. Put a small amount on a clean rag and just wrap it around your finger like you're polishing your shoes. And then you're just going to apply it to the boot whenever I'm done twisting my hand around and showing you. On circular motions, and you're not going to buff this. You're just going to do this all by hand like you see here. Work it in circles all around the boot, and I like to put my hand inside of the boot and push down so that where the boot kind of creases, you eliminate that and you can get the top of the boot, as you can see here and on the sides, in those creased areas really well. Be generous with it, but don't use too much, because if you use too much, it's going to kind of gunk on there and be difficult to blend in, to work into the leather. And this is it. You're just going to keep doing this over and over and get both boots buffed out with this product in there. And as you can see, as I'm doing this, the leather is starting to darken. When you're doing this, you'll feel the leather starting to soften up in your hand a little bit, in your hands or however you're holding it. And this is really just going to help your leather stay nice and oiled. What you're going to do, like I said, just apply this when your boots get too dirty or once a year, and just keep the life of your boots looking a lot longer and extend it. Like I said, I've had these for almost 7 years now, and I've done this once a year and they're in great shape. So let's keep going here and we'll just move on. After about 20 minutes, here is the finished product. Overall, I think this stuff works great on these Timberland boots. And again, like I said before, whatever boot protector, whatever oil is recommended for your boots will have the same result, all right? Helps with the scuff marks. It took away, I removed the salt stains. We don't see any of that. The stains you do see on there are just paint, because I work in these boots sometimes. And overall, yeah, I think the boots look good again, and they're protected. The cracking has disappeared. You can't feel them where you are, but when I put these on, they feel great. The leather is nice and soft and broken in. And yeah, they're ready to rock and roll and hit the streets again. So I hope this helped. If you liked this, make sure to like and subscribe. And I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching.